Journey through time, mastering time-related subordinating conjunctions. Hello language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our Grammar Fundamentals series. Today, we're taking an exciting journey through time as we explore a very special category of subordinating conjunctions, the time-related subordinating conjunctions. These powerful tools allow us to connect events, feelings, or actions based on their timing, making our sentences more expressive and nuanced. Let's dive in. Time-related subordinating conjunctions are specific words that establish a relationship of time between two clauses. The main clause and the subordinate clause can occur at the same time, or one can occur before or after the other. These conjunctions are a perfect tool to make your English sound more natural and fluent. Here are a few examples of time-related subordinating conjunctions: before, after, as, until, while, when. To fully understand how these time-related conjunctions work, we'll explore each of them with examples. 1. Before. We use before to talk about something that happened earlier than something else. E.g., she finished her homework before she went to the park. 2. After. After is used to refer to something that happens later than something else. E.g., he arrived home after the movie had ended. 3. As. As can be used when two events happen simultaneously. E.g., she sang as she cleaned. 4. Until. Until is used to signify that an event continues up to a particular time. E.g., he waited until the rain stopped. 5. While. While is similar to as and is used to talk about things that are happening at the same time. E.g., I read while he cooked dinner. 6. When. When is used to refer to a specific time or moment an event happens. E.g., I was watching TV when the phone rang. The best way to master these time-related subordinating conjunctions is through practice. Try to make sentences using these conjunctions, and use them in your daily English conversations or while writing. Remember, the more you use them, the more natural they will feel. And there we have it. We've traveled through time and back, exploring the power of time-related subordinating conjunctions. Remember, these conjunctions are your friends, helping you to create complex sentences and express timing relationships clearly. I hope you found this video helpful and enjoyable. As always, practice is key, so don't shy away from using these new tools in your English conversations. Keep exploring, keep learning, and most importantly, have fun with it. See you in our next lesson, Word Adventurers.